Welcome to this Specialty Products video for the part number 25022 xAxis Retrofit Kit. This replacement bushing kit is designed to replace existing spec ride or rubber bushings used on the 25470 and 25480 Toyota upper control arms with the new xAxis design bushings. The 25022 kit includes 4 bushings, 4 washers, and a press tool. The press tool must be used for installation. Always follow proper safety precautions and read the instructions thoroughly. First, remove the control arm. To do this, reverse the installation procedure. The instructions can be found on our website under your specific arm part number. When separating the ball joint shaft from the knuckle, be sure to use the proper tool to break the taper to prevent damage to the ball joint stud. Support the arm in a bench vise. Drive out the center steel sleeve with a suitable hammer and drift. Using a sharp scraper or chisel, cut off the outer lip of the spec ride bushing. Drive out the remaining bushing material. Repeat this for the second leg of the arm. If removing original rubber bushings, refer to the instructions for the part number 25476 bushing replacement kit. Clean both rings thoroughly and remove any sharp edges with a file. Using a manual press only, set up the press so the bottom plate has an opening large enough to allow the protruding part of the bushing sufficient clearance. To install bushing in arm, first align square tabs of press tool in recess of bushing. Press bushing in arm end ring until outer shell is flush with the inner part of the arm end ring. Caution: do not use excessive force or a press with an automatic ram. This may damage bushing or arm. When pressed incorrectly, there will be a gap left between the bushing outer flange and the outer part of the end ring. Repeat this process for all other bushings. Reinstall arms using arm installation instructions. Install 1 washer on the outside of each new bushing. Torque all fasteners to specifications. Align vehicle and road test.